Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, this follows when we have a raised to power m minus n. Same thing as a raised to power m over a raised to power n. This here we have 4 raised to power x over 4 square equals to 40 on this side. The next step here we have 4 raised to power x over 4 square 4 times 4, that's 16, equals to, we can write this as 40 over 1. That is, from here we cross multiply 4 raised to power x times 1, same thing as 4 raised to power x, then equals to 40 times 16 here. The next step here, we take the log on both sides and we have log 4 raised to power x equals to log 40 times 16 here. And here we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p is same thing as p log m. And this here we have x log 4 equals to log 40 times 16. And this here we divide both sides by log 4. Divide this side by log 4. Also divide this side by log 4, which implies that log 4 cancel each other here, and we have x equals to log 40 times 16 over log 4. Then this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, it is the same thing as log a plus log b. As this here, x equals to log 40 plus log 16 over log 4. Then next step here, we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 40 over log 4 plus log 16 over log 4. As this here, 16 can be expressed as 4 times 4, that's 4 square. And what we have becomes x equals to log 40 over log 4 plus log 4 squared over log 4. Then here, we apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes in, and we have x equals to log 40 over log 4 plus 2 log 4 over log 4. As this here, log 4 cancelled each other. We have 2 here. As this here, we have x equals to log 40 over log 4 plus 2. Then also here, we can write 40 as 4 times 10. Then what we have becomes x equals to log 4 times 10 over log 4 plus 2. And this also follows the law of logarithm. We have x equals to log 4 plus log 10 over log 4 plus 2. Then we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 4 over log 4 plus log 10 over log 4 plus 2. That is, from here, log 4 cancel each other. We have 1 left here. Then what we have becomes x equals to 1 plus 2, that's 3, plus log 10 over log 4. Then also 10 can be expressed as 2 times 5, which implies we have x equals to 3 plus log 2 times 5 over log 4. Then we apply the law of logarithm as well, and we have x equals to 3 plus log 2 plus log 5 over log 4. Then we separate this into two fractions, and we have x equals to 3 plus log 2 over log 4 plus log 5 over log 4. This here, 4 can be written as 2 times 2, that's 2 squared. And we have x equals to 3 plus log 2 over log 2 squared plus log 5 over log 2 squared. And we apply the power law of logarithm here. 2 comes here, and also here we have x equals to 3 plus log 2 over 2 log 2 plus log 5 over 2 log 2. That is, here we have log 2 cancelled each other, and this becomes x equals to 3 plus 1 over 2 plus, also here we have 1 over 2 times log 5 over log 2. This we have x equals to 3 plus 1 over 2, can write that as 7 over 2 plus 1 over 2 times log 5 over log 2. Then we apply change of base a when we have log a over log b. This is same thing as log a to base b. That is, here we have x equals to 7 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. Then bring this together as one fraction. We have x equals to, the SCM here does 2. Here we have 7 plus log 5 base 2. That is, here we have the value of x here. Then let's check if this satisfies given problem. This will substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 7 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2. Then what we have here becomes 4 raised to power 7 plus log 5 is 2 all over 2 minus 2. Is it equals to 40 on this side? That is, here we can bring this part together as one. This 2 over 1, that is, we have 4 raised to power SCM here, that's 2. And this becomes 7 plus log 5 base 2 minus 4 here. Is it equals to 40 on this side? Then here we have 7 minus 4, that's 3. 4 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 over 2. Is this equals to 40 on this side? And also 4 here can be written as 2 squared, which is raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2. Is it equals to 40 on this side? Here, this power multiplies. 2 here cancelled each other. We have 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2. Is it equals to 40 on this side? Then from here we apply the law of indices. A raised to power n plus n, same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. This here we have 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2. Is it equals to 40 on this side. 2 raised to power 3 here, that's 8 times. This follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. So this here we have 5. Is it equals to 40 on this side? Then 8 times 5 give us 40, which is equals to 40 here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side, and therefore we conclude that x equals to 7 plus log 5 is 2 all over 2. Satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget the steps. Subscribe for more videos. And turn the notification bell on. Share this video with thumbs up and put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.